I'm a fan of Goonzquad. I think they put out great content. So I admit I'm one of the guys that bought one of their scrap metal pieces. So we'll open up today and see what comes in the package. Alright, so let's see what's in on. Oh shoot, this one came with a koozie? Alright, I'll take it. A little token of appreciation, I guess you'd say. Let's see what else. Alright, so it's not the Porsche emblem one, but I'll take it. I don't know what number this is, like number 1 or backwards 7. I don't know what this thing is. I don't know. But it's pretty dope though. Alright, I think it's kind of cool though.